From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
A very good morning to you all, and welcome back to the Campus Weather Service Thursday morning forecasting shifts. I'm student meteorologist Jake Rowe here with your Campus Weather Service forecast. And on Twitter this morning, we had a great sunrise, which we can't see as much now, but we still have pokes of sun coming up over the Nittany Valley this morning over Beaver Stadium. So right now it feels like 70 degrees outside, those dew points lingering right at 70 degrees. We have visibility out about 7 miles with a calm wind, so it feels really muggy out there this morning, especially with those high dew points. So let's take a look at the temperatures across Commonwealth. Of course, 70 here in State College, 67 up in Bradford, and Erie rather warm at 77 degrees. And if we draw that out to New England as a whole, we actually have a pretty dominant south flow going up to the north, which is keeping our humidity up. We have flow off of the ocean, inducing more moisture into our region. So you have 74 over in Hartford, Connecticut, 76 in Boston, and 74 in Portland, Maine. So let's take a look at the dew points across the Commonwealth. So this is the future weather. And apologies, this is actually the feels like temperature. So by 10:30 this morning, it's going to feel like 86 in State College. We still have those really high dew points. We won't see relief until later today. 79 in Johnstown, and it's warmer down to our southeast in Philadelphia. And then we see those dew points finally start to cool off around 7 p.m. We're going to be tracking some showers later. So 72 in State College, 73 in Williamsport by 7 p.m. this evening. If we drag that out even further into tomorrow morning, finally around 72, or rather 63 now that the graphics loaded, by 5:30 tomorrow morning, which is a stark difference from what we've had this morning where it feels like 70 degrees outside. We'll drag that out even a little bit further and reaching 76 by tomorrow afternoon. So it's going to definitely feel a lot cooler, especially after some precipitation rolls through later this afternoon into the evening hours. So we're going to take a quick break real quick and take a look at the tropics. Right now we have Tropical Storm Florence out at a Category 3 hurricane right now. As we can see, it is winds at 115 miles an hour, central pressure of 964 millibars and rising. So we're forecasting it to weaken a little bit, but begin to strengthen. We're going to keep an eye on this storm as it gets closer to the East Coast. It's still very uncertain at this point, but we will be keeping an eye on it at the Campus Weather Service. So now let's go back to our future weather. So this is going to be at 2:30 this afternoon. We start seeing this line of precipitation begin to move through. That's going to bring us our cool down for the coming days. We're going to see that drag out a little bit throughout the evening. A couple of showers and thunderstorms pass throughout 7 to 10 o'clock this evening. Then by 11:30 or so, we just have a mainly cloudy stretch lingering across central Pennsylvania, and that'll push throughout most of the evening, leaving us with a mostly cloudy evening. And then by tomorrow afternoon, we have a couple showers starting to push through the region again around 1:30, but otherwise not as significant as we'll see later this afternoon. And then that'll push through by 7 o'clock. Again, a few lingering showers tomorrow afternoon, but not near as significant as what we will see today. So now let's take a look at today's forecast. We're looking at a high of 84 today with afternoon thunderstorms, but we'll have a rather calm wind today. And then for tonight, we'll expect a little bit of cooler temperatures, actually in the 60s, 65 for your low tonight with a few scattered thunderstorms early this evening. And then taking a look at the forecast for tomorrow, much cooler, 74 degrees, but again, that chance for showers and thunderstorms remains throughout the afternoon tomorrow. Now taking a look at your 7-day forecast, I'll step out of the screen for this one. Again, by Saturday, we're going to have much lower temperatures, finally reaching to the upper 60s, a chance for some scattered showers. And then by Sunday, a lot more prominent rain chances return in the afternoon. Highs again in the mid to upper 60s. And then Monday, we see the chance for a few thunderstorms returning as we finally warm back up into the mid to upper 70s by the middle of next week. So thanks for tuning in. That's all I have for you today, and have a great afternoon.